So this is the payphone at the end of the R, and it's been here far past its welcome. Far past its useful life. And this is pure Verizon. PTS never had a hand on this one. Oh, look at that, the phone sign's upside down. I don't remember that from before. Let's see what happens if somebody who is completely lost their senses tries to make a call here. Nothing. You can't even get it in. Good job. Oh, you know what? I think I was fooled. This probably was not Verizon. This is one of those cars that was made to look like Verizon, but local service provided by Verizon. That's a different beast.